Just a slow one tonight, just to manage to get ourselves 4 bags. That's not too bad, just from outside Waimea College and what's the other one across the road from that? Pretty new to this camera thing. St. Paul's Catholic. Managed to get a little bit, which is alright. So yeah, just digging around in the bushes really. Because there was a fair bit of rubbish here the other day that I noticed when I was walking home from course. So I'm really noticing more stuff. That is one of the sad things about it, is that you approach stuff from a different angle and you notice more. Just the good thing about night time is you can see the sparkles. So I definitely miss stuff. Thing is, as the money comes in for us, I mean, I'll be way keen to get out here and do this, because I mean, be able to support myself a bit easier rather than just relying on StudyLink. Somebody had the water drops. Yeah, I managed to get a bit from around here before. Yeah, no, I think we're all good around here. I see, even that, just a different angle. Something's in action. Yeah, see, like stuff like that, it's like, let's just leave it. See, I mean, I'm trying to be tedious and grab everything, but I mean, oh fuck, I thought I was done.